So their eagle takes the sky and flies right down to where? To Eagle Rock Trail. And here we're going to take you onto it. Here we'll go up a different way through over here. This is the canal way on the Eagle Rock Trailhead right here. Without any further ado, let's go select something up for me and let's go. First things first, let's take a look at the rocks on the left of me. That's a part of it right here. Then there's a nice rock strip. And we'll go and look around and see what this spot looks like. And we'll see what we can find as well too. We'll look at some of the spots, and we'll go up way over there. I'll show you from down over here on the canal. I'm just going to just step just right here, so you can see where the canal is. So here is the canal on it. As you can see just here. That. There's more of the rocks right there. So this is a part of the Eagle Head Trail there. We got like logs way up there. Up on the grassy area. That's that. Up here, there are like eagles up here as well too. Now, some people have said that they are up here too. Don't see any eagle action, but you never know. But as you do come along, we all have is a trail that's just right down here. You can see the trail that leads to just right there. We'll make our way down from over there and see what we have way over there. Now, there is one thing that almost looks like an eagle. I don't know if you heard that, but this sounds like a that's an eagle. Right there. Do you see that? We got an eagle in this one, guys. Right there. Hope you saw it. Flying. That's really good. We saw an eagle already. So I'm really happy that we saw an eagle. I think we can see more of it. Don't know if you managed to see that one there. But yeah, so we got an eagle. What looks more like an eagle is something that almost looks like a wing spread, which is just right from over here. See? It looks like a wing spread. But I see something treasure like. Let's look at it. Look. Right there. So there's a little house with something in there, like a little treasure chest or something. Smile. Nice little rocks there. Wow. Cool. What's over here? Little chairs. Whoa. Seriously. No, that is like the most strangest find I've ever seen. This here is on Eagle Rock. This is part of Eagle Rock right here. Wow. Wow. That is this is completely epic. We'll see what we also can find. So from here, we'll get up on these rocks here. Gotta be careful, kind of like loose rocks. But I did find something that's way up there. I'm gonna try and get our way up there. Right up there. Whoa. Enchanted Eagle Rock. Okay, so gotta be careful as I head down. My fuse is just here. Before we carry on, I want to take a picture of this. Here on Eagle Rock Trail. This is the trail part. I'll take some pictures of over here, and then we'll make our way down to over there. So give it up for the Enchanted Eagle Head Rock Wing Spread, which is what you see just right here. I took some pictures of that, and now we're going to head on down even more over here, and we'll see what else we can find as well. And again, we'll keep our eyes peeled for something finds just like that. Wow, that was definitely something great start for this video. Cool. Making this an enchanted wonderland, almost. And again, we'll see other things like that pop up, and other as well too. Here on Eagle Rock Trailhead, which is this spot right here. Now this is actually found on Blewett Road, like out of Nelson. And you get down to over here, great walking spot. You can see lots of amazing things. You can also take a look at that enchanted eagle wing spread that we just seen. And as I'm talking, I see something that's just up over here. We'll just go over here and check out what we see over here that I'm pointing at. It's part of it as well too. Here I'm just going through the tall grass here, getting my jeans nice and wet there. we'll get down to this spot here. And I'll show you this side now as we carry along. This right here is a part of it. We'll walk down and check out this spot over here, and then we'll work our way over there as well too. But this right here has caught my eye, and I wanted to show you this spot right here. Coming up right here. We don't want to go like too far, but we'll take a look around and check it out. My feet are just right here. We won't go like too far. We'll just take a look at what we have over here. Wow. Oh, we got some bird-like activity. Where's that bird? Well, whatever, I can see you got something over there. I do not know what that is. That's part of the dam. Nice rocky area here. We'll go down to over there and check out what that thing is first. Wow. Okay, what is that? I have no clue what this is right there. But we'll check it out. What it appears to be is it looks like something a boat would be tied on. You can see right there. It looks like a knot. I'll zoom in so you can see it. So a boat gets tied down to here. So you can also boat your way over here as well too, if you wanted to, but don't see you would enter. I think you'll probably be like enter like from over here, getting down to over here. Wow. This here is a very cool spot. I fully recommended this spot here. And again, this is actually located on Blewett Road as well. We'll keep on walking. Hopefully I managed to catch that one. And we'll see on the other side, which is just we'll take up there and see what else there is up there as well too. Great spot for walks. Just be careful of the rocks a little bit there, but again, make sure you have great hikers on as well too. So great hiking spot. Okay, we'll make our way out of here and go up to the next level, which is just right up there. We'll just take the way that I came down. So again, we're gonna go right through the long grass again. Just right here. And I will see you up to the next level. We'll check out what that looks like as well too. This is me walking through the tall grass. It was raining. That's why my pads and shoes are kind of wet there, but yeah. Okay, here we are at the next level. Just right over here. With some nice flowers. Got more of that rock there. We'll take this. One open stretch. Go down over there. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So here, you can see what Eagle Rock Trail had, which is what we're on right now for our tour. And I'll keep posted on other tours as well when the time comes. Oh, wait a second. Found something. Rock with a chain. Don't know how the chain got in this rock here. Stuck into the rock there. Chain is just from about there. And it's about here. Here's the ring of it. Just right there. We'll check out this here. We'll stop here. No, just zoom in. Right there. So that's basically it for here. So this zooming in over here so you can see what this looks like right from here. But yeah, so there is what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna do is we're gonna head back now and get back to the car there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this spot on Eagle Rock Trailhead as well too. Even got the right outfit for this one. The nice camel hat and the jacket to go with it as well too. And again, thanks for coming along with me and coming along the tour too. Eagle Rock Trailhead. Now we'll take the trail and then we'll get back. I will see you up top. And there we'll bring this video to a close as well too. Anyways, let's see what else we can find along the way out. Got a path up there. We got some rocks over here. Take a look back. As it is, I have to go back right now to get to the car there. So I'm working my way back, but in the same line, we'll be seeing some other spots as well too. So. We'll keep hiking. Okay, well, we went through quite a bit there, but the main attraction is that the Enchanted Eagle Rock wing spread, which is just what we've seen, and that's what I'm heading to right now, which is just right over there. So yeah, it really does look like a wing spread just by the looks of it. You see, wing there and a wing there, part up there. We're just missing the head part, but this here is the wing spread of an eagle. And that's where we found the what? The enchanted stuff onto it. Now, once we get back up, then we'll bring this video to a wrap, and then we'll be good to go from there. And again, I'm really happy. Coming over here and taking a tour of the Eagle Rock Trailhead. Okay, so the car is just right down there. We'll make our way down. And we'll see the surrounding of that, and then we'll bring this video to a close. Again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this one a like as well too. And again, thank you so much for tuning in and watching the other tours here on my channel, as well as the other videos as well too. Really happy to bring those videos out to you as well too. Anyways, I'm right here right now, getting close to the car, and we'll make our way back. First, we'll take a look into here. To a little spot. So there's the road there. Road right here. All the way down here. So there's a car right there, but in the meantime, we can take a look over here, and I'll sit down to what appears to be is almost like a rock chair almost, which is just like right over here. So take a look at what over here. This right here looks like branches coming out of that tree, almost making it look like a ladder. We can take a look at over here. And check out what over here looks like. So it almost looks like a rock quarry, which is just what you'll see just right over here. We'll go into the rock quarry so we can see all the rocks. So that's what you'll find in here as well too.
There is a message for you.
Right there. So yeah, we got a rock quarry right here. Wow. Now this here is like almost like mining almost, but not really. It's more like mining for water and conserving water, as well as an enchanted spot. So just wanted to get some little background info on as well too. Anyways, let's just go sit down for a little bit here. And where I showed you that spot where I was gonna sit down for a little bit there. Just right here, you'll have a little seat, and then yeah, just for a little bit there. I'm close to the car, so just waiting for my friend. So you said that he'll be right back. Don't know where he went there, but yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna sit down right over here, and yeah. And there you go. You can see me sitting down. Hope you can see me sitting down. Wow, nice spot too. Being one with nature, one with the rock, and one with the trees. That's where eagles like to be, around trees. Just wanted to say that too. Nice spot too. And again, I fully recommend this spot for great hikes as well too. Anyways, we'll take a look. Right back to here again. Take a look at this surrounding scenery. This spot almost reminds me of like something legendary, just by the looks of it. So just wanted to sit out as well too with him in this video. Wow. Yeah, just me just relaxing here for a little bit. But yeah, anyways, I'll bring this video to a close again. Thank you much again for watching this video. I'm yours truly, Reese. Peace. Okay, from here, I said Reese. Peace here as an ending, but I'm gonna get up and we'll view the scenery, and then we'll end the video from here. So anyways, let's get started up, and I'll get my way to the scenery. Nice, beautiful scenery, and we'll bring this video to a close. How about we'll go back to where the water is for that one, and there we'll wrap this video off. First we'll get to the rocks, and then we'll get to the water scene, and then we'll wrap this off. I'll see you back for more incredible tours coming up quickly. As is, we'll keep you posted. We're going to Ainsworth, BC, which is our next tour. When? Tomorrow, Friday. I'll be going to Ainsworth. We can see the cemetery up there and the J.B. Fletcher's Museum. So another museum and cemetery coming your way here as well too. Anyways, let's bring this video to a close. From viewing the rocks in the quarry and the dam with the greens, trees, and the mountains above.